हेलो एंड वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इट्स साजिद शेख। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एआई एजेंट के इंटेंसिव कोर्स के ऊपर। ठीक है, तो इट्स अ 5 डे एआई एजेंट्स इंटेंसिव कोर्स विद गूगल बाय कैगल। तो चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर और मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि ये किस तरीके से आप इसको कर सकते हैं। सो हियर वी हैव the what is the 5 day AI agents intensive. So there is like a 5 day AI agent intensive course with a Google. Is a hands-on program originally held like from the this is the from the November, but it's now is available as a self-paced by Kaggle and guided, so anyone can explore the foundation, architecture and practical development of AI agent. So this course was crafted by Google ML researchers and engineers to have to develop, explore the foundation and practical application of AI agents. So you will learn the core components, model tools, orchestration, memory, and evaluation. Finally, you will discover the how agents move beyond LLM prototype to become produced ready system. So each day plans conceptual deep dive with a hand-on experience, code labs, and live discussions. By the end, you will be ready to build, evaluate, and deploy the agent that solve real-world problem. So there is a welcome to our agent intensive learn guide. So यहाँ पर एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि ये इनका एक है जो गूगल एमएल ने इनको क्राफ्ट किया, एंड देन इसके अंदर आप इसको डिटेल में इसको पढ़ सकेंगे। एआई एजेंट को किस तरीके से बनाना है, उसका प्रोटोटाइप क्या होते हैं, उसकी किस तरीके से चीज़ें होती है, और आप कैसे उसको अपने एजेंट को बिल्ड कर सकते हैं और रियल वर्ल्ड की प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर मैं एक चीज़ बताता चलूँ, ये उन लोगों के लिए जिनको पाइथन की नो हाउ है या कोडिंग की थोड़ी बहुत नो हाउ है, तो वो इसको देख के इसको कर लेते हैं। अब है व्हाट बीइंग कवर्ड in all of the 5 days. So let me explain you that. So day 1 introduced to agents. So पहले दिन introduction है agents का, explore the foundation of concept of AI agent, their defining characteristic and how agent architecture differ from traditional LLM application, laying the groundwork for building intelligent and autonomous system. So there is a day 2 agents tool and interoperability with the model context protocol MCP. Dive into the world of tools, understanding how AI agents can take action by leveraging external functionalities and APIs, and explore the ease of discovering and using tool offered by MCP. So the day 3rd is context engineering session and memory. Explore how to build AI agent that can remember past interaction and maintain context. Learn how to implement short-term and long-term memory to create a more robust agent capable of handling complex multi-turn tasks. So the day 4 agent quality. Learn to build a robust and reliable AI agents by mastering the critical discipline of evaluating and improving agents. This session will cover observability, logging, and trace to provide visibility alongside key metrics and evaluation strategies to optimize agents' performance. So there is a day 5 prototype to production. So go beyond local testing and learn to deploy and scale AI agents for real-world use. This session will cover the best practice for deploying your agents so that others can use them, including how to create a truly multi-agent system with two agent to agent A2A protocol. So here, if you go down, so there is a set of instructions, right? So first you have to create a Kaggle account and sign up, and make sure you must have the learn how to notebook works, and make sure you verify your phone number. Also there is a AI studio. There is a Google AI studio, so there you can get the key from over there, and there is a Kaggle Discord whether you can join this one. So here is the all days worksheets, like a day 1's introduction to agents, and there you can see the assignment as well over there. So all of the thing one by one you can go through over this. And there is a day 2, the agent tool and interoperability with model context protocol. So there is a assignment. Day 3 is the context engineering session and memory, and there is assignments as well. And day 4 is agent quality. There is assignments and implement and all of the thing. You can see the 55 the prototype to production. So also you can go through the one by one at the day wise, and you can also see there is a YouTube stream and all of them so you can see all of the description and details from that. And then after that you will be like the congratulations on the completing the agent intensive learn guide. So once you go through the one by one, you can see you will learn all of the how to work AI agent works, and how, and you can like covered up all of the thing in the within a 5 days. Thanks for your watching video. If you like that video, so just likes, subscribe, and as well comments below down, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.